engineer.
Far beyond his native Nigeria, the name Kanayo or KOK strikes an immediate chord in many ears. For the iconic thespian, whose real name is Kanayo Modestus Onyepere, acting is life. The graduate of the University of Lagos, where he earned a bachelor's degree in philosophy, a master's in political science, and degree in law, Kanayo is one of the most respected personalities in the Nigerian movie industry. He has carved an enviable niche for himself since he began his acting career in 1982 in Aba and Enugu. Kanayo is one of the pioneers in Nollywood, having featured in the 1992 blockbuster movie Living in Bondage, where he played the character Chief Omego. He also featured in mega drama series as Checkmates, Ripples, New Masquerade, and Village Headmaster. KOK has participated in over 100 movies, including Rituals, Blood Money, Desperate Billionaire, Across the Niger, October 1, Family Battle, and Living in Bondage Breaking Free. A United Nations ambassador and a recipient of a member of the Order of the Federal Republic, NFR. He is the Sun Nollywood Icon Award winner 2020.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage Kanayo, Kanayo, KOK. Don't be afraid to clap. We are not using you for sacrifice. I'm not being partial, but I can see only 3 people behind him. Only 3. On behalf of the Sun Newspapers, the owners of the Sun's Award, may I humbly present to you a Hollywood icon and veteran, the Nollywood icon and veteran, the Nollywood Icon Award of the Year to Chief Kanayo O. Kanayo MFR.
His Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I will subsidize all protocols. Ladies and gentlemen, my village people, thank you very much. If I'm doing well in life, this my village people behind me are the reasons. And if I'm not, hold these gentlemen and ladies. It is indeed a great honor and privilege. I will first of all, as everyone does, I guess so, thank the Lord Almighty for this, and to thank the Sun team. The sun will always shine. For this award and honor. The only other moment I felt deeply involved was the day President Jonathan conferred on me the national honors of member of the Order of the Federal Republic. And I said to myself, small me, being recognized for my contribution to the industry that has given Nigeria a name and a face. I want you all to celebrate Nollywood, Nigeria's entertainment industry. We have not only added to the GDP, but we have made this country proud. On behalf of everyone who has associated with Nollywood, I want to thank you, and I dedicate this award to the industry that gave me a name and a face for Nigeria. God bless you.
Okay, I'm not happy at all. I'm not happy. I thought you were all going to come dressed in red and black hood. And somebody will be shouting, "Whoa." Ladies and gentlemen, KOK. Congratulations. Thank you so much. The next award takes us to the ambassador plenipotentiary of Oba.
Obi Iyebu might not ring an immediate bell in many ears, but the mention of Obi Cubana would instantly grab the attention of millions of Nigerians. He is the founder and CEO of the Cubana Group, comprising several hospitality establishments. Among such businesses are the Rolex Hotels, Lagos, Cubana Leisure Outfits in many parts of the country, Pablo Cubana, Lagos, Crave Cubana, Abuja, Grand Cubana Hotels, Abuja, Opium Cubana, Owerri, Cubana Rhapsody, Ikeja, Lagos, Cubana Nightclubs, Lagos, Gustavo Cubana, Enugu, and others. Cubana became a media sensation following the grand burial of his mother a few months ago. Shortly after, his donation of 1 million naira each to 300 youths in his native Oba community in Anambra State made the headlines. But long before that, thousands of young people and groups from different parts of Nigeria had benefited from the generosity of this self-made graduate of the University of Nigeria, Nsukka, who is happily married to Lady Ebele and is blessed with 4 sons. A humble, unassuming and self-effacing businessman with an infectious smile, Obi Cubana is the Sun Hospitality Icon 2020.
Ladies and gentlemen, Obi, 75 cows, Cubana! There was a little mistake in the citation. Mention was made of Rolex Hotel, Lagos, but he owns the Cubana Group. Apologies for that. Ambassador Oke Emuche, Secretary General Ohane Zendi for Worldwide, I greet you. Alex Ogbona, Publicity Secretary Ohane Zendi for Worldwide, I salute you. I'm told that everything happening here tonight will be broadcast live on the Bisiola Tilo show on AIT on Monday and Biscon TV on Go TV 108, full broadcast Sunday 4 p.m. All the people from Oba, we know you are here. Don't bring any cow on stage. And not all of you should please come. All the people following thinking they can pick money. We are not picking money here. And you'll be speaking for only 60 seconds. Hey! Hey! Who can remain for Oba? Fidel, my brother, I see you. E-money. Sorry. You are just 3 people, Abi. I'd like to welcome His Excellency, the Governor of Kano State, the irrepressible man with a Midas touch. The stage, ladies and gentlemen, if your hands are not too busy, please let's put them together for Alhaji Abdullahi Umar Ganduje, OFR. Please let's step back. Other people, step back, step back. Let only him be in front, please. Let's step back. Thank you, Bikonu. Bikonu. A whole community, please step back. Let the presenter come near him. If we give you a chance now, you bring cow. Please make way for the presenter. Colonel Udofia, are you from Oba again?
May I, on behalf of the Sun newspapers, the owners of the Sun Award, present this special award to my younger brother, the philanthropist by excellence, the ambassador of Ibores, of Idemili and the world, the hospitality icon, to Chief Obina Yebu Aka Obi Cubana.
Can we have a 60-second response from Ambassador Obi Cubana?
Thank you. Thank you, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I thank the God Almighty for the opportunity and the privilege to be where we are today. I dedicate this to our late parents, Ake Zoba and Ndozi Oba, who I'm sure that wherever they are today, they will be beaming in smiles. Then to my lovely wife, the Lush, who has always been there with me, taking care of the house when we are in the battlefield. I love you. And to all the team Cubana, the team No Sleep, you can see that all the years of hard work is gradually paying off. We thank God for everything. And to you, my brothers, my partners, my friends, my associates, my well-wishers, thank you so much. This is just the beginning. We're going to do more. Thank you, everybody. I love you guys.
Thank you very much. After party at Cubana.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.